Hello Internet, welcome to a Drunken Alcoholic quick tutorial. We're going to set up Arma3 Proton on Steam Native for Linux and show you a few little bits and pieces that you need to include to make a smooth game. First of all, if you haven't done so already, go up to your settings, go to your account and change this to Steam Beta Updates. It might ask for a restart here. If it does, just restart, do it again, come down here to Steam Play, so open up the settings, come down here to Steam Play, make sure Proton's in there. You have the option to enable Steam Play for all other titles. If you click that box, you'll get all the other window titles that you own in here. However, for Arma3 you don't need it. So once that's all set up, you can go over to Arma3, right click, left click on Properties, make sure force the use of specific Steam Play compatibility tool is checked, and select a Proton version. At this time, this is a new version that doesn't work. I've been using 3.16-8 beta, so that's the one we'll select here. Then while we're on this window, we might as well go into set launch options, and the main one you want to set here is Proton _no_esync equals 1, which turns esync off. And then finish it off with %command%. This one here is just optional. I have it on just to check the frame rates, but it's the Vulkan HUD display, and what it does is display your graphic card driver version and your Vulkan version that you're currently running. So you don't need that in, it's optional. Once all that's set, click close, it should download. However, you're not finished yet. You need to install Winetricks and Proton Tricks. So you'd go to whatever package manager you use, install Winetricks, and then I don't know if you've got the Proton Tricks in your package manager, but if you're using Arch you will have. So in Arch you would use, I'm using Yay for the AUR manager, so in AUR look for Proton Tricks, and the package you want to install is the Proton Tricks -git. And if you're going to run the launcher, which I'm assuming you will by watching this video, you want to do the same for the Arma3 launcher. And that's the package you want to run there, Arma3-Linux-launcher-git. So if you were going to install this strictly from Arch, you would do just a S there and do Proton Tricks-git and then Arma3 Linux launcher-git. And then also if you didn't have Winetricks, you would install that also at the same time. So that's probably what it would look like. However, if you're not running Arch and you want Proton Tricks and the Arma3 launcher, you can go to their GitHub page. So this is Proton Tricks. Just download it, download the zip, extract it, and then copy it over to USR bin Proton Tricks by using this command here. So once Proton Tricks is installed, you can come back in your terminal, write Proton Tricks, and then the identification, which is 107410 for Arma3, and you want the GUI. So this is just a wrapper for Winetricks. It's just giving you a warning that you're using a 64-bit prefix, which is fine, which is what we want to use for Arma3. When this window opens, you want to select the default wine prefix, and then you want to run the wine configurator. Once the configurator is open, I'll just minimize this. Once the configurator is open, go to libraries, type in exact engine and click add. I've already added it, it's down here. And then the next one you want to do is image help, HLP, not forget the E, leave the E out, add. And I already have that as well. Once you have those two overrides in, click apply and OK. I'm just going to click cancel out of this. And then go to your GitHub page for the Arma3 launcher if you're not using Arch. Otherwise install it by the AUR. It's the same version. Once again, you can go here, download the zip. So I have that in my download folder. You want to extract the zip. I'm going to put it in projects. I'll just get rid of this one so I can show you. So I'm just going to drop it into a temporary folder. This will be projects. Go into your projects, into the Arma launcher. Open a terminal here, and you want to make a directory called build, mkdir build. cd into that directory, build, and then do cmake space ... So it's running cmake on the parent directory, and you'll get that. Now you have the option just to type make, or if you want to install it system wide, you can do sudo make install, and that will install it system wide. So with a system-wide install, you will find that you can use Arma3-Unix-Launcher from terminal, or it's now installed under your games category, Arma3 Unix Launcher. So run that. It should detect all your mods. Select the mods you want to use, hit the play button, and you're good to go. What the Arma3 Unix Launcher does is detect the Proton version you have. That will make a system link to run Arma3_x64exe instead of Arma3 Launcher, which means it will be up and running and bypass that .NET launcher altogether. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. If it helped you, give a like. If it didn't, give a dislike. And catch you later.